You guys are happy, healthy, and doing well. We're gonna go ahead and harvest our potatoes now. They've been looking kind of crazy. It's been really rainy, so I tried to put them on the porch so they could dry out a little bit. The purple ones did make flowers, so I'm kind of have more hope for those because those were seed potatoes. They made flowers. Now they look crazy, so I'm hoping I have potatoes. And then this one, ew, there's a caterpillar on it. This one is like grocery store potatoes that I just probably took too long to do anything with, and then I threw them in this grow bag. So if we get potatoes, then that will just be a score for that. So let me just put, I guess as I pull them out, ooh, that broke. I'll put the plant material. Okay, little potatoes. And I can save these to plant again, I think in the fall. That's most likely what I'll do with all the small potatoes. Okay, y'all, I ain't mad so far. Because I haven't really dug anything out. Trying to get the greens out first. So far, I'm kind of happy. Because I didn't know what was going to happen with these. Sorry, it's bugs out here, y'all. The bugs. So this is our second harvest. This is our intentional harvest. That first harvest, if you missed it, was it's a wasp. He ain't looking for me really. So I'm gonna try not to look for him. But that first harvest was from composting in place. And I'm pulling all the baby ones off because I want to plant them. Stuff is flying everywhere. Let's see if we got anything else other than those little top ones. I wonder if I should pour this out in a
wheelbarrow.
Yeah, in the wheelbarrow or in that.
It's easier in the wheelbarrow to dig through.
Okay.
You want me to stop?
No. I'll carry it. Should we move the wheelbarrow into the shade? Yeah, we'll just dump it. Look, there's a worm running from the sun. We got our leaves that, ooh, worms. I bet I should have put this in the shade. Because worms don't like sun. I should have known I would have it in there. Got a lot going on trying to clean this garden up for the shoot, but hey, it's work, baby. It's good work. Let's put it right here. See, did we get anything else? This is probably one of the ones that I planted originally. I see little bitty ones. So what I think I got was I planted some stuff that I left too long, and I got seed potatoes for the fall. And I'm actually pretty happy with that. I'm gonna save these and plant them out. And there's lots of worms in here. I'm about to reuse this soil, like, immediately. There's still compost in here. You can see there's cocoa coir mixed in here. There's roots in here, which the worms will continue to eat. You can't have worms in your containers and buckets.
That's the one you covered up.
I covered up the worm?
Potato.
This way?
Yeah.
You can't have worms in your containers and not have food for them, right? So they want to eat so they can keep growing and reproducing and pooping. I think that's it. I see a lot of what I planted. So seed potatoes. That's exciting. And then I need to check the purple one. The purple ones. Okay, let's check the purple ones. Alright, let's see about the purple ones. So I'm going to try to pull these all out at once. And then I'll dump it. Oh, it won't let me. Okay. I don't know if I like how compact it looks. Well, it's the roots. Okay. Breaking up nicely. See, a potato. Okay, y'all. Yeah, we got something to look at here. Something. Maybe I could have left them longer too, but it did make flowers. And they were looking crazy. And I didn't want them to get damaged because it was raining so much. I think there's one last one. Okay, I think that's all for the purple potatoes. I will most likely, and this is compost just from the bottom of that pot. I'll probably save the like 4 smallest ones and plant them again, and then I'll just throw these into a meal. So overall, I'm happy with our potato harvest. I feel like I definitely should have planted these earlier because the best harvest that we got was from my volunteer potatoes, and those popped out super early. They popped out earlier than I thought I could plant potatoes. And just with everything going on, I didn't get mine planted at the same time. But I wrote everything in my gardening journal. So next year I will be on time. I will have many more potatoes, and I'm also going to try this again in the fall. So you guys comment below and let me know how you grow your potatoes. How did your harvest go? And thank you guys for watching. I'll see you soon. Peace. Here's my little bag of seed potatoes. I'm going to hang these in the pantry and plant them in the fall. Thanks for watching. Peace.